In recent years, strength training has surged in popularity, becoming a key component of fitness routines for people of all ages. From young adults striving for a sculpted physique to older individuals aiming to maintain mobility and bone density, resistance training is proving to be one of the most effective methods for improving overall health. Once perceived as a regimen reserved for bodybuilders and athletes, strength training is now embraced by diverse demographics, including women and older adults, due to its far-reaching benefits. The science behind strength training. Strength training, also known as resistance training, involves exercises designed to improve muscular strength, endurance, and size. This is achieved through various resistance forms, including free weights, resistance bands, machines, and even bodyweight exercises, such as push-ups and squats. When we engage in resistance training, microscopic tears occur in muscle fibers. As these fibers repair, they grow back stronger and thicker, leading to increased muscle mass. Additionally, strength training triggers the release of anabolic hormones such as testosterone and growth hormone, which aid in muscle growth and repair. These physiological adaptations not only improve strength and endurance, but also enhance overall health and longevity. Benefits of strength training. The benefits of strength training extend far beyond muscle growth and aesthetics. It plays a crucial role in improving bone density, boosting metabolism, and promoting overall well-being. Increased muscle mass and strength. Building muscle mass is one of the most obvious advantages of strength training. Stronger muscles enhance physical performance, reduce the risk of injuries, and improve daily functional movements, such as lifting groceries, climbing stairs, and performing household chores. As we age, our bones become more fragile, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Strength training stimulates bone remodeling by placing stress on bones, prompting them to become denser and stronger. Studies show that consistent resistance training can significantly reduce the risk of osteoporosis in both men and women. Enhanced metabolism and fat loss. Muscle tissue is more metabolically active than fat tissue, meaning that individuals with higher muscle mass burn more calories even at rest. Strength training contributes to weight management by increasing lean muscle mass and improving the body's ability to utilize fat as an energy source. Additionally, post-exercise oxygen consumption remains elevated after a strength training session, leading to continued calorie burn long after the workout is over. Better joint health and injury prevention. Strength training helps stabilize and support joints, reducing the likelihood of injuries, particularly in the knees, hips, and shoulders. By strengthening the muscles surrounding joints, individuals can prevent conditions like arthritis and improve overall mobility. Enhance mental health. Exercise is well known for its positive impact on mental health, and strength training is no exception. Resistance exercises stimulate the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters, which help combat stress, anxiety, and depression. Studies suggest that regular strength training can improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Increased longevity and quality of life. Research shows that strength training is associated with increased longevity. Maintaining muscle mass and strength as we age allows individuals to remain independent for longer, reducing the risk of falls and enhancing overall quality of life. For many years, myths surrounding strength training deterred women from incorporating resistance exercises into their fitness routines. One common misconception is that lifting weights leads to excessive muscle bulk. However, due to hormonal differences, women naturally develop lean muscle rather than the bulky mass associated with male bodybuilders. Why women should strength train? Stronger bones. Women are at higher risk of osteoporosis, making strength training crucial for bone health. Toned physique. Resistance training helps sculpt and define muscles, leading to a toned and fit appearance. Hormonal balance. Strength training can help regulate hormones, including insulin and cortisol, reducing the risk of conditions such as polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and metabolic disorders. Improved confidence. Many women find that strength training enhances self-esteem and body image. Aging leads to a natural decline in muscle mass, known as sarcopenia. Without intervention, individuals can lose up to 5% of their muscle mass per decade after the age of 30. This loss contributes to reduced strength, mobility issues, and a higher risk of falls. Why older adults should strength train? Prevention of falls. Improved muscle strength enhances balance and coordination, reducing fall risk. Joint support. Strong muscles provide better support for aging joints, decreasing pain and stiffness associated with conditions like arthritis. Enhanced independence. Maintaining strength allows older adults to continue performing daily tasks without assistance. Improved cardiovascular health. Resistance training has been shown to improve heart health, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. For beginners and advanced individuals alike, a well-rounded strength training program should include compound movements that target multiple muscle groups. Squats. Targeting the legs and glutes, squats improve lower body strength and functional movement. Deadlifts. Deadlifts work the hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and core, making them one of the best exercises for overall strength. Push-ups. A great bodyweight exercise that strengthens the chest, shoulders, and arms. Pull-ups. Pull-ups build upper body strength by targeting the back and biceps. Dumbbell rows. These help strengthen the back and improve posture. Lunges. Lunges enhance lower body strength, stability, and coordination. Shoulder press. A great exercise for building shoulder and upper body strength. Tips for effective strength training. To maximize the benefits of strength training, consider these key tips. Start light and progress gradually. Begin with lighter weights and gradually increase resistance as your strength improves. Focus on proper form. Incorrect form can lead to injuries. Prioritize technique over heavy lifting. Incorporate rest days. Allow muscles to recover by resting for at least 24 to 48 hours between strength training sessions. Balance strength and cardio. Combining strength training with cardiovascular exercise enhances overall fitness and health. Stay consistent. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week for optimal results. Strength training is no longer just for bodybuilders or athletes, it's for everyone. The benefits extend across all age groups, improving muscle mass, bone density, metabolism, and overall health. Women and older adults, in particular, are increasingly embracing resistance training as a means to enhance their well-being and maintain independence. By incorporating a well-structured strength training routine into your lifestyle, you can improve physical strength, prevent injuries, and enjoy a higher quality of life at any age.